Here's a certified 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It comes with great features you'll love: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, external memory control, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,